First, we need to find the white center piece and hold them on top. Next, solve the white cross, but we also need the colors on the side to line up. So here's how you do it. Find a white piece on the bottom layer, like this one, but not this one. This one is a corner piece. So move this along the bottom until it's underneath the correct color center. So then you just move it up to the top by turning the orange face. So basically, just do that until you solve the entire cross. And these colors on the side also line up. But now, I'm going to show you what might happen that will a bit tricky. So here I have found a white and green piece. So I will move it down along the bottom until it's under the green center. And then turn it till it's on the top. But this color should be straight. So you need to move this over here to the side like this. Then turn the top counterclockwise. Move this up here and then put everything back. And lastly, what could happen is you are looking for the last piece of the cross and it's not anywhere in the bottom. What you can do is and it's here in the middle here. So what you can do is just move it down, move it out of the way so that you can fix the cross piece and just do it as usual. So here's the example solved. So first we look for a white piece on the bottom like this one and move it underneath until it's reached the correct color center and turn it up. And now, so just a green and white, move it down and move it along the bottom until it's underneath the green, and then turn this 90 degrees, turn the counterclockwise, move this up here and put everything back. And so here's blue and white. Move it along the bottom until it reaches the blue. Turn 90 degrees. Turn the top counterclockwise. Put this up here and turn everything back. So move this down. Move this out of the way so that we can fix this piece. And just solve it as usual. Stay tuned for my next video. I will teach you how to solve the corners with just 4 moves. If you want to watch this video, click here.